Hey, you guys, it's Cammy and Barbara. Come around here, dear. Look, here's the deal. I've been making paint all day long. Like, my hands hurt from making so much paint, but I cannot make that much paint and not pour.
Yeah.
So,
This table is covered.
look. Oh, wait, let's do that. Look how messy the table is. So I thought, before we clean the table up, I'm going to make it more messy, and we're going to do a pumpkin pour. And yes, I'm going to pour on top of an already poured pumpkin, but I don't want to waste our clean pumpkins because we have so many pumpkin parties coming up.
Yeah.
So we picked a palette that we thought was going to be really cool. So we've got this green. We've got, well, that's a nice little new Etsy order just popped up on my phone. Order Etsy. So we've got phthalo green. I've got two metallics, gold and copper. So I think those are going to be good.
Yep.
And then I've got, my hands are so weak that I'm going to drop paint. Brown, and then like a golden yellow. Oh, Idaho's on.
Hi, Idaho.
So I'm going to pour all of my paints into our cup. And while I'm doing that, Barbara Joy's going to show you guys.
Yeah.
So while I've been working really hard.
I've been working really hard. Yeah.
Barbara Joy's been crafting.
Yeah. Oh, well, that's working hard, isn't it?
It's working.
Yeah, it's working. Okay. This isn't the sweetest little witch ever. And I'm not talking about Cammy. I'm so bad.
She's lucky. I don't have on my live glasses, so everything's a little fuzzy.
Well, hey, she's got two hands busy, so I can do whatever I want.
And I elbow the mess out of her.
Oh, oops.
So she made, look, so I got in the prettiest, it was supposed to be, oh crap.
My
hands are weak. It was supposed to be, I ordered charcoal gray burlap, thinking it was going to be like burlap. I'm just going to dump all these. I'm not even paying attention to myself.
No.
Normally I layer, but I'm just going to dump them in.
Yeah, this is more of an open weave tweed. So she's looking a little Breakfast at Tiffany's kind of looking, Yes. Exactly.
She is our cute little farmhouse witch. I think she is super cute for a farmhouse decor.
How do we go from Breakfast at Tiffany's to farmhouse?
She needs pearls. But here's our question for you guys.
Yes.
We think she's super cute. We like her hat. We love her hair. But I think she needs some zhuzh.
Yeah. She needs a little something, something.
So we need to know what we need to add. Like, I was thinking she could use like a little necklace. Broomstick is cute, yeah.
We have these.
That'll come with our Halloween
We need
kit.
some ideas, folks. So please let us know what you think our witch needs to just jazz up her outfit, make her a little something, something for Halloween.
Yeah, she needs something.
Yeah. We like her little slouchy hat, kind of, still pointed.
She's cute.
Kind of more like Harry Potter kind of wizarding hat.
Which is a witch, right?
A blingy spider or something. Oh, thank you, Marissa.
Ooh, a blingy spider.
Yeah.
Something on her hat, maybe.
Yeah.
Ooh, that's a cute idea. A necklace. Yeah, that's what I was thinking. Was a necklace would be really cute, like a like a dangly necklace, like a pendant or something. Maybe like maybe we could design one.
She needs a little spider to hang off.
Spider.
And
A spider hanging off her hat. Dang it, that's cute. Yeah, that would be cute. Pearls. Oh, she needs eyelashes. All right, we're gonna think about the eyelashes.
well, yeah.
I don't know how that would work.
Know. Maybe some false eyelashes we just put.
Oh my gosh, some that would be okay. And do they have false eyelashes at the dollar store?
She keeps me around.
False eyelashes at the dollar store.
I know how to sew, and I'm thinking outside of the box.
Yeah, she can sew. So the second something comes in, I'm just like, here, go figure that out.
Yeah. So, anywho, thank you. We'll be
eyelashes
thinking about,
is hysterical.
and we also probably need some suggestions
Right
for names.
here, like Oh, she does need a name.
Yeah.
Wait, there, yep.
Yeah.
So if you watched our if you're in our gnome group and you watched our scarecrow tutorial, this was my scarecrow girl. So she's got the side bang.
Yeah.
So we totally ripped off her hat just to kind of get her going.
Yeah. So we
But
just
yeah,
put
I
her
think
on.
you could throw some falsies under.
She
I do
said
like
that,
how
not
her
me.
hat I like how her hat kind of does its little thing. So I think it's precious.
today.
I just think she's cute.
Yes,
but
she's
I'm
adorable.
gonna take her and put her real close. See how
Okay.
the fabric is? It's really soft, and so it definitely just screams farmhouse witch, I think.
Mm-hmm.
And I love that her hair's kind of had a rough day.
Yeah. Well, most witches do have a rough day.
Yeah,
Yeah.
today's a rough day on mine. Okay, you guys, look. So I've made my cup.
It's
I'm
gonna be
gonna
gorgeous.
do the. So that's the cup.
Let's come up with our name for our witch.
All right, while you guys are watching me pour, come up with some kind of name. All right, so if you're getting our takeout pours, which we still have, I think they're 27. If I'm off by a little bit, don't hold me to it. So you won't get the thumbtacks. You're gonna put it on your cup. So you'll take one of your cups, flip it over, and you'll put it up on a cup. But if we do them in the shop, we use thumbtacks so we can reuse them. If you have thumbtacks at home, you can do that.
Push pins from the office.
That's a thumbtack, Barbara Joy.
No, a thumbtack is flat. This
Is
has a-
it?
yeah, this is a push pin
Damn it, I learned something. Oop.
that you put on a bulletin board.
Okay, I'm gonna pour because they're not even watching us and we're just sitting here talking.
Yeah.
All right, here we go. And when you do your, yeah, it's gonna be all green at first. I should have done a little layering, but that's okay. Here it comes.
That's going to be pretty.
Yeah. So when you do them at home, you have to kind of hit this outer curve right here to get that thick portion of your ribs to make sure that it goes all the way.
Ooh.
Oh, I missed a whole, like, goodness gracious.
Yeah.
This whole front side
You did.
is, I can't read the name.
Hey, Heather.
I know you guys can't see this right now. Sorry. I'm totally missed this whole section.
Yeah.
I need to keep the eyeballs on it.
Heather, welcome to the south side. When are you going to come see me?
All right.
Name her Sassy. Oh,
Sassy's
Iris.
cute.
Sassy.
Yeah, that's really, this is a good one. So the brown that you're seeing is probably looking pretty brown on the screen.
That's the bronze
It's actually
or
copper.
copper.
Yeah, I think that one turned out pretty good. I'm not going to worry about the little drips I've got because the color under I think looks really cool. You know what we need to
Yeah.
do? I wish they made foam apples. Because you could do like a red and then you could drip green and make a poisoned apple. Or you could do like a black apple.
Ooh, dip it.
Okay.
That would be awesome.
Now you can stop
I'd
looking
like
at my
that.
apron. All right, I had to jump on and pour because I've been making paint all day. Look at that section right there. We got some cells, which are hard to get because we don't put the silicone necessarily in these pumpkins because they, gravity takes over and it's gonna pull the cells out anyway. So,
Thank you, Isaac Newton.
yeah, but look at that. We might get to keep a few. I think it looks really cool. Hey, grab me a leaf. I'm gonna do a quick dip and then we're gonna let you guys go. So this is one of our $10 pour leaves that I'm just grabbing, and generally we do this leaf as a swipe, but this is a lot of runoff paint and I don't like to waste it, so I'm gonna do a dip. We're gonna be doing, I don't have a date yet, But Barbara Joy and I are working on a table decor live where we kind of use some of the things we've been making, and we're going to do some poured leaves. So I want to make sure we're catching these when we can, so they'll be dry when we do our live. So notice, normally you get a mini dipper, and
This one's
big.
gonna pick up a lot of great paint.
So when you do a dip, you're just going to drop it in, pull it up, and flip it fast. That's going to be cool looking. And then you let it lay flat. I'm going to put it on this.
Okay.
Look at that cup. Yeah, I like the yellows and the coppers. Yeah, ready? I'm going to flip this up real quick. That one's going to be really cool. The copper and the green, I like. That's really the colors I wanted to get. Okay, I'm covered in paint. I'm gonna wash off. We're gonna clean up. We are here, we're leaving in a few minutes today. Today was busy. We're tired.
Busy.
We made paint and we had a bunch of folks come in. So it was fun. We had some new people and we've had some of our regulars come in and pick some stuff up. So we're here tomorrow, 1 to 6. I will try, if my brain can remember, to do a live walk around the shop. It's been a while since we've done that, so I will do that. And I have been challenged to get off my rump and finish the Halloween tiered tray. So I'm going to try to do that
Mainly
tonight.
because I want one.
You want one. We had somebody came in today that thought it was ready, and it's not. So we're going to have that ready. So that's it. So keep talking on the live about Zhuzh ideas and which names. She's going to need some stuff. And then we'll add to her kit, and we'll probably have her by next weekend for you guys, okay? All right, everybody, have a wonderful night. And you got to get here eventually, Heather.
Yeah.
You do. All right, everybody, have a wonderful Saturday night. Take care. Bye.